Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Real Madrid Shop. So who doesn't know about them? Real Madrid is one of the most successful and iconic football clubs in the world, based in Madrid, Spain, with a rich history of domestic and international titles. So you can come to the website, which is shop.realmadrid.com. Real Madrid Shop is the club's official online store offering authentic merchandise such as jerseys, apparel, accessories, and collectibles. It serves fans worldwide with global shipping, customization, options, and exclusive member benefits. So what are you waiting for? Explore their website, and if you're a big fan of theirs, you can buy any merchandise that you like. And not just that, you can promote the merchandise to the fans out there. Why would you do that? As usual, to earn commission. As an affiliate, if you bring sales to Real Madrid by selling the merchandise to your consumers, you'll end up getting commission. So who can join the affiliate program of Real Madrid? Well, I didn't see any restrictions at all. So regardless of your location as an affiliate, you can apply to be a part of Real Madrid affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote their merchandise? You can promote them to the consumers of United States, France, United Kingdom, Portugal, and Spain in order to get commission. Next question, how do you apply for the affiliate program? For that, let me take you to the website called avin.com. Now, what is Avin and what does Avin has to do with Real Madrid? So Avin is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of any brands out there, you have to join the respective affiliate marketing network. In our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Real Madrid, we have to join Avon as an affiliate or rather publisher. It's just different name for affiliate. So you may either call it affiliates or may call it publisher. So how do you create an affiliate account with Avon? For that, you can click on Get Started, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can go with Sign Up to Avon within MIA Publisher, which will then take you through the registration process. You can fill up the form, you can complete the registration and get yourself a free affiliate account. Now, I understand that many nuances involved. Don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create the Avon affiliate account and also how to use Avon dashboard for the affiliates. You'll find the link in the video descriptions. You can follow the instructions from there and get yourself an affiliate account with Avon. Once you have an affiliate account with Avon, come to the website once again, click on login, which will take you to this page, enter your credentials here, which will then take you to something called affiliate dashboard or publisher dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, not just Real Madrid. But in our case, we will only be focusing on the affiliate program of Real Madrid. And to join the affiliate program of Real Madrid, you can hover over advertisers, you can click on join programs, which will take you to the section. Over here, if you look at the left hand side and search advertisers function, you can type in Real Madrid and then click on this icon, search icon. You would be able to see different affiliate programs of Real Madrid. So you got Real Madrid UK, US, PT, France, and Espanol. So depending on the region of your consumers, let's say the majority of your traffic is coming from United States, and you might want to go with this program. Otherwise, you might want to see which one is more suited for you. We will go with Real Madrid US. For that, I can click on this icon here, the coin icon, which is for commission rates. It will take me to this section. Over here, I can see the commission rates. Now, this is the same for all the programs of Real Madrid. Either you go with UK, US, PT, FR, or ES. The commission rate would be same, and that is discounted products, you'll get 1% of the sale amount, and for the default, for all the other products, it will be 5% of the sale amount. That's very generous. Now, if you want to have more details, let's say for Real Madrid US program, you want to have more details, click on the name, which will take you to the profile page of Real Madrid US. Over here, you can look at the overview. You can read about them, why join the US Real Madrid official online store program. And then you can expect this. As we were talking about the regions, that means you would only be able to get commission from this program if you bring sales to them from the consumers of US. So similar to this, you can explore other programs as well. And if you want to apply to those programs, you can also apply. We'll talk about about applying the programs a bit later as well. Then comes the account users. Let's say if you have any question, if you want to reach out to the affiliate program team of Real Madrid, you can reach out to them using these contact details. This is one of the way. Another way is this: you can click on send email, and you can also directly send an email from Avon dashboard. Then there are other details as well you can see in summary. And if you want to see terms and condition, you simply click on documents. It will load terms and condition for you. You can simply click here. It will download the terms and conditions, and you must read it thoroughly. Then there is program terms. You can click on program terms. You can see these additional program terms that you should be abiding by. Then there are terms related to PPC, what is allowed in PPC, basically the policies related to PPC. So you can read it and you can understand and avoid doing the things which are not allowed. Same goes for transactions. So that's some transactions related policies. You might want to read this thoroughly as well for better understanding. Then there is branding policies as well. So when you click on it, let's see, only assets made available by official online store can be used. So that means you cannot promote assets from elsewhere. This is very strictly they have mentioned. And then there is publisher as well. So when you click on publishers, you get to see what kind of publishers they're usually fine with and will usually give approval to, so long as the affiliates have good online presence. So they are fine with all the publishers, or rather affiliates, except for coupon affiliates or affiliates involved in search marketing or maybe behavior retargeting or media brokers. So they are not fine with affiliates involved in these practices, but otherwise they're okay and they will usually give approval for. Now, let's say you have read it all, and if you want to apply to the affiliate program, you can either click on join program from here, or you go back to the previous screen over here, and depending on the program that you want to apply to, you simply click on the plus icon for that. It will open up the overlay window over here. You can see, and you can choose your promotion method here. So I'm going to click on content, and I'm going to go with the YouTube channel of mine. Same way you can choose your promotion. Now you must have set up the promotion while setting an account with Avon as an affiliate account, so you can decide it accordingly. You can also write here a short message introducing yourself and outlining why do you think you will be best suited for Real Madrid program, and this will help you in getting the approval from the affiliate program team of Real Madrid. So let's say you have written it all, you can just tick mark this by checking the box you are agreeing to abide by the specific terms and conditions for this program, and simply click on join. When you do that, you will see this message: thanks, your request to join has been sent to the advertiser. Now, advertisers, doesn't matter, you may call them as brands or advertisers, they're simply using advertiser as a different word for brands. So after seeing that message, this simply means your applications to the affiliate program team of Real Madrid has been gone. They will see whether you're good fit for them or not, and based on that, they will give you the approval. How would you know whether you have been approved by them or not, and how much time would it take? It usually takes up to 2 weeks of time. And when you get the approval, you will be notified by an email. And once you have been approved, you can come to the Avon dashboard once again, hover over advertisers, and click on My Programs, which will take you to this section. Over here, you will be able to see all the approved brands, including Real Madrid. So once you see them here, next what? Next, you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't take any link from the website. You have to use your tracking link. So how do you create or use your tracking link, the affiliate tracking link? For that, you can hover over Toolbox and you can click on Link Builder. This will take you to the section. Over here, you can ensure to choose Join, and you can mention your advertiser name here. So let's say if you have been approved by Real Madrid, you will see the name here and you can choose it accordingly. And just to show you an example, I'm going to go with Alibaba APAC here. So let's say this is, instead of Alibaba, you have selected Real Madrid. So in that case, you can take one link from their website. Let's say I want to promote the jacket. So I'm going to go to the web page of jacket. So this is the URL for Real Madrid jackets. I can take the URL, I can come here again, and over here in destination URL, I'm going to mention that web page URL which I want to use the tracking link for. And then I can click on generate link. What this will do, it will create a tracking link for me. I can use it, I can maybe share it on social media, in a command, wherever I see fit. But if I want to put it at the back end of my website, I can click on HTML, and over here I will see the HTML link code, which I can take and integrate it from the back end of my website. I can also look at QR code, and I can generate QR code for any reason I want to do it. So this is how you can create tracking links. But what if you don't want to create tracking links, but you rather want to use the available links that Real Madrid might be providing? For that, you can come here in the toolbox once again, just hover over toolbox, click on my creative, which will take you to this section. In type, you can see which type you want to look at. For example, you want to take the text link or image banner. So let's say image banner. You select image banner from here. In advertiser, you can search for Real Madrid and select from here and then do filters. So when you do that, you will see different links available here depending on the type. So let's say this is one of the image banner for Real Madrid, and if you want to use it, you can simply copy code. If you want to see details, click on view details, and you will see the script language code for that specific image banner. So you can copy the code and integrate it from the backend of your website, and this will be the preview of how it will look. So it's totally up to you. Either you can use link builder to create your own tracking link, or you use my creative to see and get the link code of the existing links. All right, so you have learned how to get your tracking link, or rather the affiliate link. Next question: how exactly can you promote Real Madrid? There are many ways, but still I'm gonna cover a few. One way is website or blog. Now, it doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you got the approval from Real Madrid, you can promote them on your website. Maybe put some advertisement on your homepage, or maybe a category page. Totally up to you. It's like depending on where you see is more suited for your consumers. Blog could be amazing because you can write different blog posts about different merchandise of Real Madrid, and basically just put your tracking link in the blog post. So this way, when the fans would come, they will read about that merchandise. They'll click on the link, they'll buy the product, you'll get commission up to 5%. Third is social media. Now, I feel like social media is great here because you could basically create different social media content. It could be short videos, long videos, probably shorts, reels. There are many things, even posts you could do, and put your tracking link somewhere with either within comment or maybe some content. So this way, when people will see that content of yours, they'll click on the link. That will lead to sales and you'll get the commission. Fourth way is sports website. I feel like sports website is more suited here and could bring more sales to Real Madrid, and it will also help you earn more commission. So let's say as an affiliate, you got a sports website, maybe you create a standalone section just for Real Madrid merchandise. So this way, when people would come to that section, they'll see different assets available over there. They can click on any assets, they can buy those assets, and you get commission. But you have to ensure you integrate your tracking links properly for each assets over there. So let's say that you have started promoting Real Madrid, you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you should come to the event dashboard once again. Over here, you can hover over reports and you can go to performance over time. So click on today, week, month, year, doesn't matter. It will take you to a report like this. Over here, you can choose filters and you will see your program name, impression, clicks, earning per clicks, quantity, number of products, amount, and commissions. And you can even have more details. And if you want to see the transactions, hover over reports, and within transactions, click on today, week, month, or year. So this will take you to the transaction reports where you can use filters and you can see the transactions that have happened. And in order for you to receive the commission, so all the transactions that have happened, it goes through statuses. For example, unclear, waiting for the advertiser to pay Evan; cleared, waiting for Evan to pay publisher; cleared and uncleared, pay to publisher. So you can basically run this report to see the transactions per status. Now, the transactions for which the commission amount is already paid by Real Madrid, you can expect Evan to issue that commission to you. And for you to get the commission, ensure you must have updated your payment details. And how do you update your payment details? Simply hover over account and you click on payment details, which will take you to this section. Over here, you can look at bank details and you can update the payment details accordingly. And as you can see here, payment details for earnings that you generate for programs operating in USD. So all the affiliate programs of different brands out there, they operate in different currencies. So you got USD, GBP, Euro, and Brazilian Real. So let's say if you want to update the payment details for the affiliate programs operating in USD, you can change your payment frequency from here. Maybe you want to get commission once in a month, then go with monthly, otherwise go with twice monthly. You can also update your payment method. You have two options to go with, either payments by ACH or payments by international wire. So you can choose it accordingly. If you go with international wire, you can also set up Pioneer as the payment method. And let's say whatever you select, then you can also decide payment threshold. That means the commission will only get issued to you if you exceed the mentioned or selected payment threshold value. So let's say we select $50, and then you also update the account details and click on update. Like this, you can also update the payment method for the other program regions currencies as well. So once you have updated it, you can expect to receive commission from Avon once Avon has received the same commission from the respective brands. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Real Madrid. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Real Madrid shop. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.